So there's a problem. There's going to be an upcoming trial of Donna Adelson once more in June of 2025. And unfortunately, it's not advisable for anybody to watch this because just when we began to think that we were safe, there is a chance that people might have to listen to excerpts from that book. This is our story by Wendi Adelson once more. I've read that book more than once and reviewed it, and I don't want to hear that anything about that book anymore. And I don't think anybody else does either. So I'm just going to have to wait for the verdict to find out what happens. And I know people want to see Wendi Adelson come to justice if she was allegedly involved in this case at all, but I won't be able to watch that trial either because the chance of having to listen to details about that book is possible. Listen here.
Stuck in the place she was living. Now, that position would have been accurate if you stopped reading halfway through the book. On page 233 of the book, there's a passage I'd like to read for the court that highlights the fallacy of the state's position.
Go ahead.
I'm so sorry, Josh, for everything, and I'm grateful to you, for bringing me to this place, for giving me wings to try something new, and for all the unpredictable experiences that have followed. She's thanking her husband for bringing her to the fictional city in which they live, the fictional city in which he teaches, the fictional city in which she practices law. So, contrary to the state's position, she ultimately is happy where she's living. She's thanking her husband for bringing her to the city, not the opposite, which is what Ms. Kappelman and the state in the prior trial and at the hearing in August were representing. And since the factual basis for the state's questioning is patently inaccurate, it's our position that it would be improper to use that for impeachment. The other issue that you have is what I mentioned previously. Originally published September of 2011, the petition for relocation is denied in June of 2013, almost 2 years. And so the best example I can give or comparison that I can give